Today my mission is simple, and that's to build the best beehive or gal ever. What? Jesus Christ, what have I eaten? Anyway, gotta collect my honey. 32 liters down. Oh, Jesus. Can I can buy Daisy? It must be like a Daisy bee, I'm guessing. It won't be another honeybee because honey's pollinate daisies. Thirsty. What am I doing? Hello, sir. Who are you gonna be? Oh, clothes. Hello, sir. Okay. 20L. Sell all honey. And I can buy 2 lavender. Right, 2 lavender has been unlocked. Oh, rainbow! Wait, B album. How was rainbow? Oh yes! Oh rainbow! I go rainbow. What the hell's happening here? What? I just got flashbang. Rainbow power. Oh, white bee! Wow! They actually exist. Oh, we got a gold. Azure bee mythic. Azure bee. Oh my god. It's a manure bit. What am I doing? Unlock queen bee. How do you unlock a queen bee? Hello, sir? Okay. Goodbye, sir. Next reward. I need 1,000 litres of honey? Jesus, I only make 1 teaspoon a year. Actually, true facts. So I have enough for the thing. Oh, you can only deposit in volcano then. Okay. Oh, 8,591. Oh, what shall I buy? Della. I got a deal. Right, just buy everything in stock. Right. 4-leaf clover. Jeez. What in the massive growing area is that? That azure bee is going to be insane. got honeybees and clover bees. Good. Can you give me something better? Oh. Jesus! How was that? Speed 14 minutes, 500 pollen. Mate, that is insane. It's enough to make grown men cry. Okay. So Jesus, what the hell? This might be hive. Jeez. Okay. Right, this video is gonna be 21 minutes long. Just for the sake of it. Don't ask why. Just get to. Well, I might do a part 2, 3, maybe even a 4. Depending on the contraband this video gets. I'm just using random big words. Yeah. Right, hurry up and restock. Thank you, sir. Hurry up. Thank God all day. Nothing good. There's never anything in store. Oh my God. We got 6 lavender. Spawn. Wow, white man, get out of there, you American moron. Alright, spawn these. 4-leaf clover, spice message. Ooh, gold. Sunflower, red. That's a big deal. If you know what I mean. Mate, why does this take so long? Oh my God, give me something good. Like that's so piss. At least I've got something that's actually good waiting for me. Let's go. Auto collection. Ow. Flashbanged me. Alright. Does this person have so many keys? That is unreal. Who the hell are you? Since what? Is that the what's it? I forgot the brand name. Basic warrior card. Yeah. No. I'll buy 2. That's all I'm getting. Let me water. I can't water. Finished. Bumblebee. Oh What's it? Johnny's. Why am I going to buy something? I'm selling honey. Honey, please may you take out the trap now. What am I doing? Hurry up! 11 minutes and you coming home. Football's coming home. What is that? Oh, guess we'll never know. I really need to speed up. Right, I'm gonna go AFK and come back later and come back with parts of kidding. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, let's cut to when we come back and have hopefully thousands, hundreds of thousands. Alright, fast forward a couple minutes. Yeah, I'm back. I also got this bamboo and dill seed. Pretty sure it's diana, but oh well. And I have 25,000 litres. Okay. That is a lot. How am I even checking that? How long till this crappy event? 8 minutes, okay. 0 likes. I can't like my own plots. What? Ooh, that's a big deal. That's a big bamboo. Jesus. What's gonna pop out? Some random orange Asian bee. Something. Yeah. What am I talking about? Oh, hello, sir. That reminds me of that one British sweet or candy brand. I forgot what it is. It's Starburst? No. Stationaries, yeah. Reminds me of that one brand. Stationaries. Brents will know what I mean. Wow, a quest. Wait, quests? There's quests? Where do I claim the quests thing? Oh, here. Lottery. I won the lottery! Yay! Right. Things on this on my roof. If you hear anything, just go. And something fell through my roof. Let's just say. If I was going to get knocked out, then you'll know. That's bamboo. Oh, Bumblebee, and Bumblebee, you joking? All I got was bumblebees. All I got was butt bees. Wait, fairy Alexa? Alexa? Play a song.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Alexa, no! Jeez. That wasn't meant to happen. Please do not demonetize me, YouTube. I promise it won't happen again. Oh, too late. Let's go. Cut down the event. I'm from the power of Atom. Okay, now event. Find out you know what? No, well, that's better. So it's about that. What? Would you like some honey? Would you like your baby? You do. Right, I need a lot of honey. This is a really good stock. Got golden stock cheese. This is taking forever. Please be something actually good. Me, that's... Wait, ninja bee. Ninja. Oh, yeah. 500 polymer. Okay, my Azure bee. It's, still my best. An hour. I'm not playing this game for an hour. Oh god. Me. How? How? That's my question. How? How to get volcano on here? Oh, yeah. That's my question. Do you have to get like a volcano mutated plant? I don't take all. Right, I'm selling this because it's worth quite a bit. So will the game finally be happy? Is this enough? 50k of hard work? What the hell? Volcano, yes! Alright. Yes! Yes, 350 volcano. Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Come on, that's good, that's good, that's really good, that's really good. Sure. Lottery ticket.